Most likely, you've never Googled how to invest in real estate in Brazil because when you think of Brazil, you associate it with soccer, the ocean, and carnivals, but definitely not with high returns. You know a lot about real estate in Dubai, about investing in Bali or Thailand, about the Golden Visa in Portugal or other European countries, but Brazil is definitely not on your investment map. And that's a real shame because the Brazilian market, especially Sao Paulo, is one of the most undervalued and interesting markets out there, at least when it comes to real estate right now. So if you're watching this video right now, you have a great chance to enter this market where there's still no competition and the returns are very high. And the entry point is still low, plus the price per square meter is 4 to 5 times less than in Dubai or Lisbon. Do you know why you've never heard about Brazil? Because there's a very high domestic demand here and very few foreign investors. There are over 220 million people living in Brazil itself. That's why there's absolutely no competition among foreign investors. More than 70 million people arrive in São Paulo every year. So there will definitely always be demand for short-term rentals here. And if year-round, this rental demand doesn't depend on the tourist season because there simply isn't one here. People come here to study, get medical treatment, work, and shop. This is the New York of Latin America. It's the most popular and one of the most expensive cities not only in Latin America, but in the whole world. That's why the demand for real estate here is very high. Now, let's look at the raw numbers. São Paulo has the fourth largest GDP among all metropolitan areas in the world. That's more than Dubai, more than Tokyo, and many other cities around the globe. 103,000 apartments were sold in São Paulo in 2024 alone. 70% of all housing is sold even before the pre-launch or at the very start of construction. The return on resale ranges from 25 to 40% per year. At the same time, the São Paulo market is stable. The risk of a real estate investment bubble here is minimal. And according to the Swiss bank UBS, São Paulo ranks 25th out of 25, making it the safest and most undervalued city among the world's major metropolitan areas. The São Paulo market can offer a variety of strategies. From strategies related to resale before the keys are handed over, such as speculative strategies, to strategies where we buy and rent out the property. Because there is huge demand here for both short-term and long-term rentals. So who is this market for? The São Paulo market is for those investors who are already investing abroad, who want to diversify their portfolio, and who want to earn good returns. This is a market for those looking for a new spot, an investment point on the map, for those who want to get good returns and invest in square meters that are not yet very expensive. Why is it worth getting in right now? We see that demand from foreign investors is constantly increasing, and Brazil is experiencing steady growth. There is strong domestic demand, the economy is growing, and the real estate market continues to expand. But we clearly understand that in 2 to 3 years, this situation could change. That's why the best entry point is right now. In just 2 to 3 years, you'll be able to see and achieve excellent returns with various investment strategies. And we at Altum Estate can help you again. If what I'm saying resonates with you, if you want to understand which strategy is best for investing in São Paulo, if you want to know which neighborhood is better for investment, how the buying process works, how to choose a property, or how to exit an investment, then we at Altum Estate can help you with all of that. You can simply message us on WhatsApp, the link will be below this video, and get a free consultation. Our brokers will help you through this process, help you understand everything, achieve the best returns, and build the best strategy here in the Brazilian market. I'm Marina Poliaca, a real estate expert with more than 20 years of experience. And our team will help you sort out these questions and achieve maximum returns here in the Brazilian real estate market. Open up this market for yourself and get the best terms. We are happy to help you with this matter.